Now, an Emeritus News Brief, I'm Lynn Huston. An incredible amount of news today. Investment giant UBS was sued by the New York State Attorney General today, claiming fraud as it relates to the selling and marketing of those auction rate securities. New York Attorney General Andrew Cuomo claims that UBS executives bailed as the auction rate securities tanked, leaving investors unable to access over $25 billion. He also says that UBS was selling the auction rate securities as cash equivalents even after the executives had bailed out and the market had crashed. Still no word on the auction rate securities investigation at the Wachovia headquarters in St. Louis, which was raided by investigators last week. Well, New York's Attorney General Cuomo was a busy man today, taking action also against an insurance broker in Auburn, New York. Cuomo claims he obtained a court order against Auburn, New York insurance broker Thomas Piccirillo, who will have to pay $500,000 in restitution to seniors that he defrauded, as well as $100,000 in penalties and a $10,000 penalty to the state for targeting senior citizens for unnecessary insurance policies. And the first big lawsuit today filed against an oil speculation firm in New York federal court. The U.S. Commodities Futures Trading Commission filed a lawsuit against Optiver Holdings BV of the Netherlands, including 2 of the subsidiaries and 3 employees, for manipulating oil markets and making $1 million in the scheme. And last but certainly not least, it was a really challenging day for the U.S. economy. How challenging? Well, the Dow was down 283 points. Sales of existing homes were down 2.6% in June. And unemployment claims last week jumped to 406,000, the highest since Hurricane Katrina. Look to Emeritus News for the latest in personal, financial, government, and advocacy news. That's an Emeritus News Brief. I'm Lynn Huston.